Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh yes. Some of you are asking about Venice. Yes, Venice. So we're looking at the weekly chart here. There is a sell zone right here. That's drop, base, drop. But it's not fresh because it was exhausted here. You can see that the price went up and then it sold off. And it did it again here. So some of you might be worried that it would do it again when the price reaches there, but it's been exhausted, so it will either drop down from it and then go back up again and then break through, or go straight through here. So yeah, I wouldn't be worried. I'm letting it just the price of Venice Token rise. As to something else, you're currently getting 26.28% if you stake with Venice. That's Venice.Ai /token. As you wait, there is something that I want to show you here, that supposedly Gate is saying they're giving 300%. That is a lie, because it's not 300% every day for a whole year. That's just like a burst of 300%. The best they can do is take your VVV and then stake it for themselves on Venice and then give you a lower percentage. So Venice is giving you 26.28% currently. And if you look at KuCoin, they give 4%. So they're taking your VVV and then staking it, and then out of the 26.28%, you just get 4%. So this really, if you actually look at it and go to Gate, you realize that it's only for a short burst that you'll get 300%. For the rest of the time, you're doing less than what Venice is giving you. So if you like what you're hearing, what you're seeing, make sure to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.